I witnessed the whole session. It was great. Many questions have been answered. You can continue speaking to our support team, RM, AM, operations. They'll be more than happy to answer your questions. I'm here. There are few questions which needed my attention. I'll try to answer those questions to best of my ability. So I'll take the first question from Mr. Prashant Raskar, and he said, what is the percentage of commission? Mr. Prashant, we have not decided or finalized on the commission levels. We will be doing it hopefully end of Friday evening or Saturday morning. We'll be disclosing it to everyone. Before Sunday, you will know the commission levels which we are offering. So that would answer your question. Mr. Sunil Verma had asked a question, what is the reason behind the change in the business model? Now, as I had mentioned in the introduction, laws have changed, a lot of things have changed. So it is taking a stand that the business continuity management is there. The business continues for a long-term time. Office of CCA has come up with new regulation and which we are adopting it. Technobiz has asked a question. Many in here have a clients who are CAs. We charge them at X rate. They further raise the invoice Y rate for their clients. Now, please understand, before 14th August, the era, you were bundling premium services with DSC. आप DSC देते थे, अपनी services देते थे, वो services premium थी. Now you can do the same thing by, there's a DSC amount and there is an assisted service amount which will be there on a website. So if an end user charges assisted services, you will end up making more money. So that is how you will making more money by providing them premium services. Mr. Deepak Prasad, जो रीसेलर अभी तक माइग्रेशन नहीं किया उसका क्या होगा? बड़ा क्लियर है कि आज जो हमारे सिस्टम में माइग्रेट कर जाते हैं तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली उससे आप मार्केटिंग रेवेन्यू कर लेते हैं. 14th के बाद अगर वो सिस्टम के अंदर से माइग्रेट होंगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास होंगे, नहीं तो आपको अपना URL प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा एंड इंश्योर कि वो रीसेल माइग्रेट हो. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड ऑटोमेटिक, उनको वहां पर जाके माइग्रेट करना पड़ेगा. कैप्रिकॉर्न कैश में एग्रीमेंट हो गया है तो फिर से एग्रीमेंट करना है क्या? अनुराग जी, जब आपने एग्रीमेंट नहीं, आपने कंसेंट दिया था. सो इफ यू सॉ, जब हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था तो वी स्टार्टेड टेकिंग कंसेंट टू बिकम बिजनेस पार्टनर. जब आप बिजनेस पार्टनर को यूज करेंगे तब आपको एग्रीमेंट साइन करना है. तो इट इज अ 2-step प्रोसेस, कंसेंट एंड एग्रीमेंट. श्री गोकुल गौ सेवा समिति से एक क्वेश्चन है, फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन चेक द रिपोर्ट्स एंड हाउ मच ऑर्डर इज प्रोसेस्ड फ्रॉम आवर बिजनेस पार्टनर कोड. मींस कैन वी गेट द ऑर्डर रिपोर्ट एंड हाउ मच DSC इज प्रोसेस्ड फ्रॉम आवर लॉगिन. अगर आप देखेंगे, इफ यू सी फ्रॉम योर business partner, there is a section where you can see what commissions you have earned. There you will see a reference number. You can use that reference number to see which all orders have been processed. Mr. Mahesh Mandora, if BP saving account mapped in portal, then we have to update bank details, personal account will continue to will commission. Yes, you can log into your business portal account, you can update your bank account and you will be getting the commission to the new bank account. eSolutions have asked a question, if we choose token, is it manual to deliver it to applicant address in DSC or can we select on different address? If you have selected DSC token delivery, it will be delivered on the address mentioned on the invoice. You cannot enter a different address. Mr. Ram Shankar ji ने कहा है, many organizations do not pay in advance. They will pay after getting DSC in hand. बहुत नाइंसाफी है, पेमेंट हम करें एंड और बिल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को मिलेगा एंड वो कैप्रिकॉर्न को पेमेंट कर देगा. नो, दिस इज अ 3-part क्वेश्चन. इन आवर केस, व्हेन दे डाउनलोड, they will only get, they would have to pay to download. हमने अप्रूवल आपका बिना पेमेंट के लिए कर दिया तो आपका रिफंड रिजेक्ट का कोई इशू नहीं है. जैसे ही वो पेमेंट करेंगे तभी उनको मिलेगा. अगर वो पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं तो उनको DSC नहीं मिलेगा. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर एक हमारे पास ऑप्शन है, उसके अंदर अगर आप ऑथराइज्ड वेंडर हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए तो आप बिल अपने नाम पे कर सकते हैं। उसके प्रोसेस, क्योंकि ये बहुत लंबा वीडियो हो जाता, हमने दिखाया नहीं है, प्लीज RMAM से पूछिएगा, वो आपको बता देंगे। इनफैक्ट 14 तारीख से तो वो प्रोसेस आपको दिख ही जाएगा आपके पोर्टल में। मिस्टर चमन ने पूछा है, he asked a question, can issue invoice with token amount to avoid double invoice? Token will be supplied by us from our end. It is possible? No sir. If an end user has placed an order of token on us, we would be supplying them token. There is no restriction, no limitation that you cannot supply token. So if you are supplying token, let the user should only buy DSC from us and you invoice them. This JB from KKV Corporate Solutions, can we see old client list after make the DSC? No sir. No client data would be shown to either business partner or your present login. Everything would be hidden from 14th night. There are a lot of these questions which I will be avoiding because there's a whole lot of questions. These are all operational issues जिसमें आपने पूछा है कि discount मिलेगा कि नहीं. Now those things have been addressed at multiple answers by a team, by a support team, where you can say that there's nothing called discount. Even if you pay directly, it comes to us, we will give you commission. So this is a fact. Even if you ask us multiple times, right now the situation is that this is what we are going to give, because that is what the guideline says. Now Mr. Arun Jain has asked, can you please throw a light on the levels down line if any partner wants to create login under him? Now we have taken, we have spent a lot of time in creating our business partner program. In this business partner program, we have taken cons and pros of multiple levels, single level, and we have taken a lot of factors. What we have realized now is that if we have multiple levels, then the whole pie of the commission is distributed in different levels. If we don't have levels, everybody has to work hard. So we have come to a conclusion that we only have business partners, and if you are referring another business partner, you will get marketing revenue from them. That business partner is not under you. So there is nothing called layers. When everyone is a business partner in our system, when you refer a business partner, you get marketing revenue, but they are not under you. So business partner, if you carefully read the guideline, in terms of business partner, they are very clear. They only talk about business partners. They don't say business partner level 1, business partner level 2. They talk about business partner, and that is what we have in our system. SMSE Solution has asked a question, what about government tenders? We are already running from large final which are in contractual basis. So again, as we had mentioned, you can come to us, log in as a business partner program, you can show us the tender, we will give you a contractual rate so that you can continue to process DSC with the same rates. Sumit Gupta, if an individual has GST number, then shall a GST number invoice be issued to him in his personal name? Right now the guideline is very clear. Personal DSCs, we will not be issuing GST invoices. We will be issuing GST invoice B2C. We will not be issuing B2B invoices. So that means he cannot take a tax input because there is no provision to add GST number in personal GST, personal DSC. So Mr. Vipul has asked the same question in a different way. He has asked that if he does not have a GST, what will happen? Again, we are very clear about it that the GST in the personal invoice, there is no option to get the GST from personal DSC. It is there in organization DSC, but not in personal DSC. Then there is a question from Mihul where he has asked that the DSC charge will be approximately 2,000 to 3,000. Now I can safely say it is untrue. We feel the charges should be between 1,000 to 1,200, and this is the range. We do not want to give you the actual rate till the time it is not finalized, but I think it is in the range between 1,000 to 1,250, 200, and we will tell you exactly when we announce the rates. Commission will be SMS Solution has asked another question. Commission will be fixed or will be variable for all partners. On 14th of July, we will start with fixed commission. The commissions are fixed for everything, but during 15 days, 20 days, we will start sharing with you as to how dynamic our business partner program is. If you are doing more business, you will end up getting more money, more revenue for you. If you're more commissions for you. If you're doing less business, eventually you get less commission. So those things would be dynamically adjusted, and we will share how it is done when we as we go, as we take small steps and we go from, in August, you will come to know. Can we promote a separate link on a website on any social media with price variation? The price variation is not possible. There is nothing called two prices in Capricorn from 14th of July. There will be one price which is published on the website. You can only promote that thing. You can only promote that price. We will give you URLs which has business partner embedded, but you cannot change the price. You can promote it through social media. That is how you want to grow your business, but you cannot change the price. Mr. Kalprakash Solutions have asked a question on the commission. Well, essentially, the commission would be given on the actual amount. It will not include the GST. For example, if we are selling a DSC for 1,500 plus GST, then we will be giving you commission on 1,500, not on the total amount. Can I start referring partners from today itself? Dr. TJ Ajit has asked. Right now, only the old system where your resellers who migrate are automatically embedded, or you get marketing referral from them. That is only active. From 14th, you can start doing it. Premium service, someone from TechnoBiz has asked, premium services, as you have mentioned, will be added in the invoice? Yes, anything which is mentioned on our website, that is including assisted services, would be added in the invoice. There is nothing that if he adds it on our website and that is not included in the invoice, that will not happen. Mr. Rakesh Chandra Bala has asked a question again regarding tender. Now it is the same question which I have answered earlier. You have a tender and it works the same way. If you have a tender, send us the tender copy. You can buy, we will approve the tender, you buy in the bulk, and we will tell you how to sell those DSCs to that organization. But essentially the DSC process remains the same. We will tell you how to tender DSC to be processed, but the DSC process starts from an OTP. There is no change in that. The billing could be done by you, and we have a way when you speak to RM and AM. We didn't want to show you here because it gets complicated, it becomes a very lengthy video, but the process is there. Speak to them because a small segment of people want tenders. We don't want to disturb everyone by showing them the process which they would never use. मिस्टर रितेश जूत ने क्वेश्चन है, हिंदी में है। जैसे कि बताया गया है कि आप एप्लीकेंट का डेटा नहीं दिखाएंगे, पर 14 जुलाई के बाद बीपी कोड से बनाए गए डिजिटल साइन का रिन्यूअल के लिए रिमाइंडर हम कैसे भेजेंगे, क्योंकि हमारा एप्लीकेंट का डेटा, आपके पास डेटा नहीं होगा। वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन। हम रिन्यूअल के नोटिसेस हम भेजेंगे आपके बिहाफ पे, एक रिन्यूअल का मॉड्यूल है, मल्टीपल लेवल्स हैं जिसमें हम भेजेंगे, कॉल्स भी जाएंगे। अगर वो रिन्यूअल हो जाता है तो उसका कमीशन आपको मिलेगा, उस पर आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है। 8 साल से वी हैव बीन डूइंग द सेम थिंग एंड विल कंटिन्यू टू ऑनर you by if the renewal notice has gone within there's a set of rules which we will share with you. If उस rule से बनेगा तो you will get your commission. Today we issued a DSC with our BP code. Will it be fixed during the renewal of DSC also? देखिए, this is from eSolutions. You have to understand two things. Renewal means a new application. Today if I create a DSC और मैं रिन्यू करता हूं तो नई एप्लीकेशन आती है। रिन्यूअल में सिर्फ उसका डेटा थोड़ा सा कॉपी हो जाता है, वो आसान हो जाता है। अगर आपने आज DSC बनाया और कल वो जेंटलमैन किसी और बीपी के पास चला जाता है तो आपने मेहनत नहीं की ना, तो व्हाई विल यू गेट अ कमीशन? You getting a business and you not helping your clients to get the renewal, yes, that is a problem. So in the new model you have to continue marketing so that when the renewal comes, when we are sending the mails, you have to continue market them, tell them do the renewal from the link, send them your URL so that they can use that URL to renew the DSC. Technobis has asked, the prices will be same for all CAs, Capricorn, CFE and others. Well, essentially in this meeting I can talk about Capricorn. Capricorn pricing is what we decide. What others are deciding is for them. They have their own infrastructure, they have their own calculation. What we think is value. You know, is pricing is one of the things which most of the people are not understanding here is that अभी तक आप लोग स्टॉक खरीद रहे थे, अब एंड यूजर पे करेगा। अगर एंड यूजर कम पे करता है तो आपको कमीशन कम मिलता है, अगर एंड यूजर ज्यादा पे करेगा तो आपको कमीशन ज्यादा मिलेगा, आपकी रेवेन्यू बढ़ेगी। सो यू अगर मैं सस्ता कर दूंगा तो आपकी रेवेन्यू चली जाएगी। तो इट्स अ वेरी थिन लाइन। जितनी जल्दी आप समझ जाएंगे, यू वुड से यस, यू वांट क्वालिटी सर्विस, इवन इफ यू आर पेइंग हायर यू शुड बी हैप्पी बिकॉज इफ द एंड यूजर इज पेइंग हायर यू आर मेकिंग मोर मनी। वंस वी स्टार्ट understanding the concept, and I think the pricing will not matter at all. मिस्टर सुमित गुप्ता ने अगेन क्वेश्चन जीएसटी के लिए कहा कि इंडिविजुअल को जीएसटी नहीं मिल रहा है। You know, there are many complications and implications. So we want to be very clear about it, that we had represented, they have their own reasons that the GST of individual is not allowed. So right now the system does not allow GST number to be added in personal DSC, and we can always have discussion, merits and pound, and maybe हो सकता है कि 15-20 दिन बाद या 1 महीने बाद we go back, represent again. So we will continue to do this. We have taken your suggestion and we'll go again and represent that GST number should be added in, should be allowed in individual DSCs. मिस्टर अली ने वही क्वेश्चन है हिंदी में लिखा है कि वो पेमेंट मैं करना चाहता हूं। हमने ये 3-4 बार बोल दिया है, आज मैं फिर बोल देता हूं। एप्लीकेंट लॉगिन के बाद ही पेमेंट होता है। जब एप्लीकेंट लॉगिन हो जाएगा उसके बाद आप पेमेंट करेंगे, वो जो इनवॉइस है उसकी वैल्यू दिखी है एंड यू गेट कमीशन बेस्ड ऑन दैट। एंड यू नो, एप्लीकेंट के बाद कौन पेमेंट कर रहा है, इट इज समथिंग विच एप्लीकेंट नोज। So that answers the question. Mr. Amar Toshniwal has asked a question. The assisted services whole amount would be transferred to business partner account, or there would be some deduction? It is very clear. It is a service like DSC. If a applicant uses assisted services and we are providing assisted services, then of course there will be deduction and will be given to you like commissions. If you are giving assisted services outside, and that is beyond the outside preview of Capricorn, it's beyond, it's like we really do not know. हम लोग DSC टोकन या सिर्फ DSC का पेमेंट करेंगे. अगर आप असिस्टेड सर्विस दे रहे हैं, क्लाइंट डज नॉट वांट टू बाय असिस्टेड सर्विस फ्रॉम Capricorn, दैट इज क्लाइंट्स चॉइस. आई कैन नॉट हेल्प दैट. So you would have then you can do the billing, but normally if assisted service he selects it on our website, then the amount you will only get commissions. Again, Ami Law House ने question पूछा है, which would be I think the last question in this session, कि he wanted to change the amount. Right now there is no provision to change the amount on the invoice. What you see on the website, the same amount would invoice would be sent to the applicant and that would be charged same. In fact, मेरे आदमी ने बताया नहीं, ईमेल के अलावा हम एक SMS भी भेजेंगे कि ये आपका इनवॉइस नंबर है और अमाउंट है to the applicant. That will also be sent. So we want to be sure about it that the applicant understands what is the amount needs to be paid email के जगह. So this is part of the guidelines and this is what we are going to do. I believe I have answered most of your things. अगर कोई रह जाता है question, again speak to our support people, speak to them on Sunday. RM है, AM है, they'll be more than happy to answer. अगर उनके पास answers नहीं होंगे इसी वक्त तो they will contact us, they will speak to the management and we'll try to get you an answer. You do not have to be scared. It is an uncharted territory, you know. ये नया मॉडल आ गया है. आपको जैसे इनसिक्योरिटी है, हमें भी हो सकती है कि पता नहीं क्या होगा. हमारा large percentage of business is through channel partners. So I again requesting, start taking your first step. Start seeing this thing, start giving the suggestions कि सर इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसको यहाँ से ठीक हो जाता है, and then we will take it forward. Finally, we had a great session and I thank you very much for people who have seen the whole session or joined us late. You can go back, the video would be published, you can see this and share with your resellers, share with everyone, and then we can take it forward. Looking forward for a long journey. It is the first step. Thank you very much. God bless, and we will see you in the next session. You know, if tomorrow you think the session is helping you, we will have more sessions. There will be more demos. You can speak to your RMA, AM if you want more sessions. You want English specific session or Hindi specific session, we will do that. So speak to them and they will get it done. Thank you. God bless. Bye.